some baked salmon served with some veg and some plain rice. Really easy one for an easy evening, you know what I mean? Go in, have that on a glass of wine or something really fantastic. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe. And as I say, my name is Chef Ricardo. I represent Jamaica on the world with the best recipe. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my video. Happy New Year when it comes. From Chef Ricardo and the team, thank you so much. So basically guys, today I'm gonna simply make you a lovely dish. It is gonna be salmon. We're gonna do our oven baked salmon. It's gonna be fantastic, lovely, nice, and I know you guys will love it. First thing what I wanna simply say to you that it's just gonna be amazing. First of all, we're gonna crack some pepper and the salmon like that. Just some pepper and some salt. Alright, the next thing we're going to pop a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top of the salmon like this. And I know you guys will love it. Alright. Second thing, I have a oven tray right here which I'm going to be using. And I'm gonna get the salmon and I'm gonna lay it straight inside of it like this. Get that same oil and everything and just rest it on top of it like that. So it's just a little salt and a little pepper. Keep it very simple. That's, you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here. The next thing we're going to put some, that is some fresh thyme and a little bit of white onion on top of it, just like this, and a pinch of garlic, and also some chopped tomato, little bit of green, that's some green pepper mixed. That's just a little bit of pepper. So basically, as you can see exactly how the salmon look. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to foil it like this. And we're going to be bake it inside of the oven for roughly 20 minutes inside of the oven. First thing, you need to preheat the oven or get the oven really hot. I'm using electric oven, which is, you know, a little bit complicated at the moment, but I'm doing at least 200 at the moment. If you're using gas mark 9 will be really good. Hot because, you know, you're gonna cover it. It's gonna be taking off a little bit more of the heat, but you want to just keep steam it and get that lovely flavor out of the salmon. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to be placing this salmon inside of the oven and cook it for roughly about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes inside of the oven. Bake it perfect, nice and lovely. You get that lovely flavor from the salmon. You're going to love it, guys. So enjoy it and please leave a comment. You know what I mean? As I said, a lot of healthy recipe will be coming out from Chef Ricardo for 2017. Alright, enjoy it. I love it, guys. I just take the salmon from the oven. What we're going to do first is take away the cling film. Look at that. Beautiful, really nice and fantastic. As you can see, cook moisture and everything. That is fantastic. So what we're going to do is to get a spoon or simple, get that nice lovely liquid off at the bottom of it and simple pour it on the top of it. Really nice. That's the thyme. So what I'm going to do is simple share it out and make you guys see exactly how the salmon look. Alright, what do you think about it, guys? Really nice, beautiful, looking lovely. As you can see, that's the salmon. It is fantastic. Just take it from the oven, as you can see. Looking lovely and nice. So please subscribe and leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. I'm gonna share it out and make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Nice and lovely, guys. I just finished share it out, and as I can see exactly what I'm talking about. That's the salmon, a little bit of rice, some tomato at the side for garnish, piece of lemon over there, good to go. As you can see, looking fantastic, nice, and all I could do is simple, just give it a little bit of color, guys, crack a little bit of pepper over it like this, and that's it. That's a proper garnish, looking lovely, nice and beautiful. So hopefully you guys like the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We got a lot more ideas, a lot more recipe coming out for you. Baked salmon with vegetable and rice, as you can see. Fantastic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe